Hey everybody, it's TR back with another RV how-to video, and today I'm going to be replacing this vent. It's damaged inside. I'll show you here in a little bit, but for now all I need to do is I just got to break this vent loose from the roof. This is a really easy project, and replace it. So let me get the right stuff here. I think it's probably going to be this size. It is awesome. Or when you're working on a rubber roof, you want to use plastic tools, and so I'm just going to come in here and I don't even know if I'm going to need to do that, but let's see. Pull that off to get those out. Okay, I think we got all the screws out. Now we're just going to get underneath the edge of this here and gently lift her up. Uh-oh. Oh, I got one screw back here that was being a stinker. There we go. Now we're ready. I think the worst part of this job is going to be cleaning up the sealant. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, that thing is filthy, nasty, and I wanted to clean it up before it goes to the new owner. So let me get this other box back here. I'm just using this for trash. And then here's our new fan. Some butyl tape, gonna need that. Some lap sealant. Did I manage to get the caulking gun up here? I didn't. Well, we'll go get that in a minute. Here's our new fan. Installation instructions. new screws, which is nice. And then this thing here is a cover for the inside. I'll have to carry that down. But let's get all this die-core cleaned up here. This butyl tape and the lap sealant. Just about ready to put this together now. Just a couple of things left. I want to try to clean up this lap sealant a little bit more. I've got it pretty good, but I think I can get a little bit cleaner here. Get a little bit more of this off. You're not going to get it all off, so you shouldn't try. You'll end up tearing your membrane. You don't want to do that. So anytime you're putting anything like this in a roof, any kind of a penetration, the first thing you want to do is you want to put some butyl tape on it. This is just a caulking tape. It never sets. It's always flexible, and it's just as simple as taking it. So I'm just gently pulling this off. Put it in there like this, right out the edge, so like this. Got a little ripple in it there. How'd that happen? And then just kind of mush it down, push it. A little too much here. There we go. Alrighty. Now, put you back over there. Okay. So we're gonna hook the wires up, and then I'm gonna set it in the hole. And what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna screw it down immediately because I want to go back down. I'm gonna look in the hole here, make sure it's square and everything looks good. So we'll go ahead and hook this back up. The black, of course, is positive, and it goes to the black here. Make sure these are good and tight. All right, so two things you want to pay attention to here. First off, that the hinge side, which is here, faces forward, because you want to be able to open this when you're rolling down the road, and you don't want to, and that way when the lid comes up, it comes up like this, the wind won't catch it and rip it off. So I've just got this set in here very gently. I'm gonna go down underneath and I'm gonna get it squared up. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got her squared up in the hole. So I got her squared up in the hole. Now it's just a simple process of screwing her down. Make sure everything's tucked in nice and neat. Looking good. Okay, don't over torque these screws. You don't have to slick them down really tight. So I'm going to set my screwdriver on here and I'm going to start about 7. And we'll see what that gives us. I'm not going to torque it down all the way. For now, I'm going to pin the corners. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna peel this off now. So now we're going to use some lap sealant and we're going to seal this whole rim. Screwdriver. Oh shoot, I forgot my caulking gun. Alright, well, I'll go get my caulking gun and let's see, let's make sure everything looks good. It's looking fine, it's good and firm. Grab all my parts here since I'm kind of done up here other than the caulking. Put all my tools. Alright, I gotta go get my caulking gun. Always one more trip. Okay, so now you put a good bead all around the perimeter here. And let's put a nice daub on every screw head. I have to go inside, I'll put the inside flange on. Alright, so here's the inside piece of this. I'm just going to tuck all these wires up in here. They'll be fine. And put this nice new All right, we're gonna call that good. Okay, so that's pretty much how you replace your ceiling vent. If you like what you saw, give me that thumbs up. Appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Lots of great RV how-to videos still to come. If you'd like to support the channel, you could pick up your own fan. This happened to be the Dometic fan-tastic fan. Really like these. I've had really good luck with them, so I'm really pleased with this particular fan. And that's probably going to cover it for us. So thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Until we get together for another RV how-to video, peace.